Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Click here on profile here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Click on settings, come to settings list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. Then you click here on notification filter, just click on it. You come to this list here, come here to follow recommendations here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color it's gone, that's mean follow recommendations, notifications disable with us now. Go above save, click on it, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.